Hey guys, I am officially 38 weeks. Well, I've been officially 38 weeks. It's like 38 weeks and a half now at this point. It's Wednesday and Friday I turned 39 weeks and I need to stop messing around and filming a pregnancy update because I could go at any time. You never know. My first baby I had the day I turned 38 weeks. My second baby I had the day before I was 40 weeks. And my third baby I had about a week early. So I was like 39 weeks. Okay, so let's talk. Let's talk about what's new, what's been going on. So I feel like just last time I was telling you guys how good I felt, all this kind of stuff. I swear, the day that after I filmed that video, the day after, I started feeling it. Like I started feeling, hey, it's the third trimester, you're going to deliver soon, like chill out, because I was going full speed. My dog Max is laying down. He decided he didn't want to face me. The lights are too bright, so he turned around and is rejecting me right now. Anyways, so yeah, like I have definitely felt like I need to slow down, but I haven't slowed down. So it's Wednesday today. Monday, okay, so my husband has off Sunday, Monday. Max, lay down. Okay, so my husband has days off Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday he goes back to work. Well, Sunday and Monday we really started cracking down on getting things together. So like we had a bunch of clean laundry that we hadn't folded. We folded all our laundry. So we have 3 kids and him and me. Like I'm talking about like it covered our king size bed, like just piles of it. Anyways, we put that all away. We organized because we got new dressers and we kind of fixed that up. And I started to get my hospital bag together, and so I got my hospital bag together. I got all of the baby stuff, all their clothes out. I washed it. Basically, we have everything ready for baby, and we did it all in those 2 days. Also in those 2 days, we finished our farmhouse table. I told you guys after this desk, we're gonna start doing a farmhouse table. It measures 8 feet by about 4 feet, and we finally finished that. We finally finished that Monday we finished it, and then I was painting it and staining it throughout, cleaning and doing everything. Anyways, then Tuesday rolls around. He's supposed to go back to work. There's a huge snowstorm, and we're snowed in. He can't go to work. Nobody's driving. Like it's just, we're snowed in. So we take that day to finish. So we finish staining or putting the top coat on to the table, and then that night we bring it in and we set it up. And then also that day we kind of took to I took to cleaning the house, like cleaning it like crazy. So I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned the boys' room, our room. I swept and cleaned and organized downstairs, but I didn't get around to mopping it. And like I went crazy. And so Tuesday night, oh, another thing, I washed our dogs. So we have Max is a golden doodle. He's like 50 pounds. He's big. And then Bea is our 10-month golden doodle, and she has super, super curly hair, and I washed and dried them. You have to blow dry them. You can't just let them dry. They have to be blow dried. So I wanted to make sure to wash them very close to when baby came so that they could be very clean and they wouldn't need to be taken care of for a little while. And so anyway, so I did that. And so that night I literally couldn't even move. I was like, my husband had to help me upstairs. Like I was so sore. And I know you guys are gonna say, it's not good. It's not good. Do not do it. But I was in like total like baby cleaning mode. Like the baby's coming, like I'm gonna clean. And so legit, my father-in-law is staying with us, and he thought I was gonna have the baby. Like apparently he was telling my mother-in-law that I was gonna have the baby, and my husband was thinking I was gonna have the baby. So anyways, I was super sore. I was having a lot of Braxton Hicks. My back hurt. I got in the bath. I felt like, hey, these my body's totally changed. Like, I can feel a difference. I could have baby tonight. I feel like baby's coming and it's close, like really close. So anyways, I didn't have the baby obviously yet because I'm here. And but like I said, Tuesday, yesterday, and today, I've just felt different. So today we went to Walmart and we got like the rest of the like postpartum kind of things, like pads and a couple of little things that we needed. So my hospital bag is done, baby's bag is done, we're ready to go. The house is clean. It's been deep clean. Like today I finished mopping the whole house, vacuuming. I scrubbed the appliances so it's all shiny and nice, and the bathrooms downstairs, everything's nice. So we're pretty much ready. And every time that I get ready like this, it's like my body knows and baby's coming. And sorry, that was the door. Anyways, so that's how I feel. I feel like baby's coming and it's close, and I'm hoping that I can hold out till Friday, because Friday I have a doctor's appointment. My doctor will tell me what's going on. If I'm dilated a bit, I'm just gonna fly my mom out here because I want my mom to be here to watch the kids for me when I'm in labor. I don't want my husband to have to be here because we're out here alone. And so I am hoping that I can make it till Friday, but if I keep on feeling like contractions and just worse, I might just try to. See, the thing is, because we had the storm yesterday, I can't even fly. There's no flights until tomorrow. So if I went to labor tonight, there's no way that she could even come to be here until Friday, because there's no flights, because it was stormy. There was a huge storm. Speaking of which, I'm having Braxton Hicks right now. It's like, what time is it? It's late. It's like 7:30. Anyways, so symptoms I've been having: terrible sleeping. I'm having like a lot of like nightmares. I'm also like I'm feeling a lot of pressure. Baby is definitely causing a lot of pressure, a lot of Braxton Hicks, a lot of back aches. Like I have this spot on my back that aches a lot and my husband has to rub it out. I'm also getting really, really swollen in my legs and in my feet. So at the end of the night, like I'll take my socks off and they look like tamales. Like they just are swollen feet. And so I am almost 39 weeks, so it is expected. I'm trying to guzzle water, but body does what the body does. So what other symptoms? Other symptoms, actually the last couple of days I've been kind of nauseous. So I've been trying to drink a lot of water and make sure that I'm drinking and eating, because I'm feeling kind of like strange, like baby's adding a lot of pressure. I feel like my body is telling me like labor is coming, and like I'm getting nauseous. Today I had a headache. It actually just went away, but I had it most of the day. Also, let me think of what other symptoms I'm having. Yeah, it's hard to move. It's hard for me to get off the couch. It's hard for me to get up off the floor if I'm changing the kids. It's just, my body's retaining water. I feel more swollen, just all that kind of stuff that tends to happen the last week or two. But I do feel better than I did with my last baby. And at 38, 39 weeks, I was like, get this baby out of here. I'm ready to just pop. Right now, I'm still comfortable. I still feel good, but I do feel like there's changes coming. There's changes coming and it's happening. I'm trying to think if there's any other symptoms besides the whole nesting thing, which I just went through. It happened, which is true. I think it's true. Every single time you get that nesting instinct. I think that's pretty much it. This vlog is super, super short because that's pretty much it. That's all the symptoms that I've basically had. I'm still alive. It's still good. Baby's kicking. I'm excited. I will update you guys next week and tell you guys if I still have baby or not. If there's not a video, it's because I had baby. We'll see. We'll see if I can survive till then. But thank you guys so much for watching my vlogs. I'm going to show you the baby bump. Okay, so if you guys are wondering, this is my office and this is what it looks like. I always film my like videos here, and I made this desk. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like here. And this is actually makeup that I put together to go in my hospital bag that I would show you guys that if you guys were interested. And I totally DIY'd that. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go to my room and you can see Max there. There's Max. Oh, look at how he just wants to play today. Can't love on him too much because I'm scared he's gonna pee. Okay, go get in bed. God, you're playing with that finally. And that's Bea. And you asked why she's in a crate, because she's a puppy and she's not very good at listening. And this is where I put them. It's so big because I put them both in there when I'm gone so that they're safe. And also when baby's here, and if I ever need them to, you know, just relax, I know that they're not going to be jumping on the baby up here because I know that they're in there. So anyways, this is my room. Oh, we got married. So this is my room, and I told you guys we like set this room up finally, and yeah. So I just barely got this, so I haven't got to put it in my hospital bag yet, but this is the baby book we're gonna take so that we can like imprint his like hands and feet and stuff. And then hi Bea. Max, go lay down. Bed. Good boy. Lay down, Bea. Lay down. So this isn't where the bassinet's going to be right now. It's over here in the corner. But whenever the baby comes, it's going to be like this. Right next to my bed, so I can get baby whenever I need to get the baby. Right now it's kind of over here so that it's out of the way. I just thought I would let you guys know if you're curious. I always have my babies close to my bed until they're about 6 months. I mean, when they're like 4, 5, 6 months, I'll move them probably away from my bed so that I don't wake them up, but still, like, they're basically in my room till then. Well, they're in my room until they're 1, actually. But all of the baby stuff is under there, and even some of my stuff. I just kind of neatly piled it in there. And then, yeah, this is my nightstand. And then here is our hospital bag. So I kind of just stuffed these in there, but I'm going to fix that. But basically everything that I need, this is my bag. And I think I'm going to put my husband's like pair of clothes in there. And this is the baby bag. I just got this in Arizona. It's a Banner baby bag that they give you, and I just thought, why not use it for a baby bag here? I don't think they're going to give me a bag here, so, and it's not a Banner hospital, so I'm good. So I have all my baby stuff in there, and then I am going to be wearing these slippers to the hospital, and those are just going to be my shoes I'm going to be wearing unless it's snowing. So it's been snowing here, so unless it snows, I'll take snow boots. But for now, that's kind of how it is. So I thought I would show you guys how the room was kind of set up, and the baby stuff that's all put together, and then the clothes we are going to fold and put in the dresser or hang it up. So I don't know if you're curious on what's in the baby bag, so I guess I'll show you real quick. So we have like this muslin blanket. It's super thin and breathable, and this is how I nurse, and so I'll just take that. And then I'm also going to take a warmer blanket. So I got this one from Target. It's new. Sorry if I'm out of breath. I'm pregnant. Okay, so all the kids have gotten one like this. It's fuzzy, and they've gotten a different kind, so they all know their blanket, and except for Hiram. Hiram didn't get one. I should have, but I didn't really know at that time. But anyways, to this day, they sleep with it, so it's a comforter for them. So this is going to be just for warmth. It's not going to be like a comfort thing yet until he's about 6 months, I think. I'll start kind of using this as his comfort blanket. So I have this blanket, keep him warm because it is cold, and I decided to pack 2 outfits for him. So I packed onesies that are kind of like pajama ones because honestly it's cold here, and these are awesome because they have the gloves already, like the mittens, so they don't scratch themselves, and their feet, they're covered from head to toe basically. So I got this one. I got these from Target. I'm using all my old, they're not really old, but all my newborn stuff that I kept, I'm going to use it. It's just this little outfit I wanted to grab. Again, has a little mitten so they don't scratch themselves, and they're covered to their feet. And then I grabbed the warmest beanie I could find, which is this one, and it matches both. So that's probably going to be, one of these is going to be his going home outfit. And then I grabbed, this is a Muslim burp rag. I love these. I'll try to link them below if I can remember. I love these. So I have that one. I just brought one. It's probably all I'm going to need. If he probably won't even burp up, like that's just if he happens to burp up, my milk probably won't even be in. And then they said they're not going to give me a binky at the hospital. I do breastfeed, but all my kids, I did like giving them a binky, even at the hospital. They never confused them because I was very consistent breastfeeding, but sometimes they just need a comfort. And when I just barely had the baby, I need to rest. And so, because I can't really do much if I'm tired, I can't do anything for the baby. So giving him something like this for an hour or two is just helpful. And it has just this little thing so it doesn't get lost. And this is a present from Hiram, so I thought that that'd be really cool. So I'm taking that. I don't know if I'll use the binky or not, but we'll just see. And that's basically everything that's in the baby bag. There's nothing really much in there. The baby doesn't need much. At the hospital, they give you the diapers. They sometimes give you a binky, wipes, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'm pretty simple. I mean, I'm no fart at this, so I don't really need much. I actually have my Bumbo over there. Oh, I didn't show you guys that. The Bumbo and the car seat, but I took everything off of it because I'm washing it right now with the Dreft newborn detergent. So I got all the baby clothes out, but I forgot the Dreft. So today we picked up the Dreft detergent for babies. I specifically use that all the way until 6 months, maybe even to a year, depending on how the baby is, like if they're sensitive. And so I'm washing all of that. And but I'm not going to take the Bumbo. I'm pretty good at, I don't need it anymore. Like I think the first baby I should have brought a Bumbo, and that was the time that I didn't bring a Bumbo. Not a Bumbo. It's not called a Bumbo. You know what I'm talking about, like the breastfeeding. A Bumbo is the seat. What is that thing called? I don't remember what that little pillow's called. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm not bringing it this time because I don't need it. Just pillows from the hospital are good enough. I mean, I think I'm pretty good at this, so I don't really need that anymore. But yeah, that's basically it. They have no idea what's coming. You have no idea, little lady, how strict Mama is when baby comes. Max knows. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's about it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.